Hi class, Mrs. Miller here, just going over the February 3rd DLD module with you for English 9. So if you are watching this, you've already gone to modules, you've already opened the February 3 DLD module, you've seen the welcome page, which looks like this. It tells you what you're going to be doing, submitting attendance, completing a vocabulary practice assignment on sedlear.com, watching a video and taking notes, and then submitting those notes on a Canvas assignment. And then when you're finished, you'll see the module completion page. So you've already seen that. You've already noticed that I am available via Canvas inbox on Saturday, the 3rd from 8 to 8, and sporadically throughout the day from Wednesday when this module opens all the way through Monday, the 5th when it's due. Please do contact me on Canvas Messenger or email me if you have any other questions, and I'm happy to help you, of course. If you have tech issues, then you'll want to call this phone number down here on the bottom of this screen. Okay, just clicking next through the module. On the next page is the quiz. That is your attendance check. You'll open that up and take that as a normal quiz. It asks that whether you've opened it or not. Obviously you have, so you will click true and submit and go on. The next page is really the meat of this lesson. This tells you that you're going to watch the video instructions. These are the video instructions that you're watching right now. You go to Sedlear Connect. When you get to Sedlear Connect via this link, or you can log in on your own, you will have an assignment, and you'll see it up here in this right-hand corner at the top, as we normally do. This is for Unit 9. You will be doing the choosing the right word activity. This is a drop-down menu. If I were doing this, I would split my screen and have this page on half and open up my definitions and have the definitions on this half. Remember, you're just learning these words, so this is not a quiz. I want you to dig in and have a lot of exposures to those words so that you can get these correct and be well prepared for the upcoming quiz. So that's the Sedlear assignment. No need to drop it, no need to snip it, no need to save it. I will find the score that you got through reports up here. Okay, then back to the module after you've done Sedlear. And if for some reason you need the school zip code because it pops up with that page that asks for zip code, it's right here for you. Okay, so when you finish that, then you're ready to watch the Shakespeare introduction video, and you're going to click on the button here, or it's embedded down below. Click on that video. It takes you to YouTube video. You'll be taking notes from this video in a closed note fashion. You'll be filling in the notes. I'll show you what those look like. So those are right here. And what you'll be doing is watching the video and then typing in the words or phrases that are indicated by the blanks. You can change that to your favorite color if you want. Of course, you'll want to pause the video so you can hear the words correctly, etc. And this page will be saved. You'll need to save it, and then you'll be submitting it on the next page, as it says here. Take notes from Shakespeare video using notes page. Submit your notes on the next page. So you will click next when you finish that, and you will upload your notes right here and submit them. Once you've done that, you'll click next, and congratulations, you have finished the February 3rd DLD module for English 9. Enjoy your weekend. Remember, I'm available if you need any help. Thanks so much.